Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you when will TikTok be back in the App Store USA, what you need to know. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So as of January 22, 2025, TikTok remains unavailable for download in US App Store, including those operated by Apple and Google. This follows the enforcement of the Protecting Americans from Foreign Adversary Controlled Application Act, which took effect on January 19, 2025. The act mandates that ByteDance, TikTok's Chinese parent company, divest its US operations due to national security concerns. President Trump issued an executive order granting a 75-day extension for ByteDance to comply with the divestiture requirement. Despite the extension, Apple and Google have not reinstated TikTok in the US app stores. The companies are cautious as non-compliance could result in substantial fines, potentially $5,000 per user, accumulating to significant amounts. Legal experts are divided on whether the executive order provides sufficient protection for the app stores to restore TikTok. Some argue it offers a safe harbor similar to no action letter from the IRS, while others believe that certain sectors of the order still pose liability risk. As a result, Apple and Google are currently refraining from re-adding TikTok to the platforms. For users who previously downloaded TikTok, the app remains functional. However, without access to the App Store updates, the app may experience performance issues over time. Additionally, new users are unable to download the app, limiting TikTok's ability to expand its user base in the US. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.